this video, we will get to the fun part, and that is shooting the SSP28. Now, before we get started, be careful, have a target where nothing gets hurt, nothing gets damaged. Wear your eye protection because BBs can ricochet back. Make sure that everything is fine. You are allowed to shoot. It's not in your bedroom and you will shoot your screen. All the different possible scenarios. Go outside to your backyard or set up a small little shooting range with some blankets, ideally in the background, because the BBs get really stopped nicely with blankets. They don't even bounce back. That's a good idea. Safety, that's your part. Be reasonable, don't be stupid, as we have on one of the stickers. All right. Proper safety glasses, and now let's get started. The first thing that we will need to do is to put BBs into the magazine. Here we have a magazine, loader, speed loader, BB loader, many different names for the same thing. How does it work? If you've never seen this before, you open the door, you pour BBs inside, you close it again, and now you can load them like so. And it makes your life much easier. If you don't have one, please get one because this is super essential. Putting BBs in here one by one would be a hassle. As you can see, I pull it all the way back and I can actually access it from the back. I don't need to load it from the front because that one is way more hassle. If we want to stack them nicely, you can use the other side of the speed loader and just drop them in like so. And now we have a nice stack. To make it sit with the follower better, I'm gonna put one more BB in there, and now you will see nicely stacked, maximum capacity. It sits with the follower flush, so no extra excessive friction, which could potentially lead to feeding issues, especially over time when dirts get in there. You want it nicely stacked like that. That would be for the BB part. Now I will put some gas in there. We are filling gas upside down like so because we want the liquid part of the gas into the magazine. If you only fill it like so, this will not work. You will get 3 to 5 shots maximum because you don't have any liquid in there, and the little bit of the gas, it's not enough to, fire the full magazine. If you want to know more about gas-specific stuff, we also have videos about dual-stage valves versus single-stage valve. You can also find it on YouTube. Please watch that one. It's also important when you deal with gases. We will find the inlet valve, make sure it sits nicely, and we will start filling. I'm gonna fill for about 5 seconds or so, and now the magazine is filled. Here, very important, this is 2 pressurized containers. If this one is colder than this one, guess what happens? More pressure here, less pressure here. You are trying to fill a pressurized container with less pressurized container. If this one is colder, chances are you will not get anything inside. Make sure that this one is a little bit colder and this one is a little bit more warmer. How does it work in practice? Warm it up a little bit in your hands and you'll be good to go. This is one of the most common issues when people contact our tech support. Hey, I shoot 3 to 5 shots. Make sure there is more pressure here than here. All right, there we go. Now we are full. And we can start shooting. Before we start shooting, make sure to watch the safety video because we don't want to, do stupid stuff. All right, that's all in the safety video. Put the magazine inside and we will rack the slide. That's all we need to know. Switch, if you have the switch, if you don't have the German variant without the switch, make sure it's up for the first few shots to get used to it because this is semi only. Finger straight until I decided to shoot. That's all in the safety. We will aim in the safe direction at a target, and now we can start shooting. All right, when I'm not aiming, finger goes back straight. We have a couple of more BBs. Let's switch to full auto, and we can enjoy 28 rounds a second. I've shot this many times by now, and it never stops impressing me. 28 rounds a second in a pistol. That's pretty cool. And that's basically it. That's how you shoot the SSP28, and I will see you in the next one.